Hello, 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 hello. It's me, Lucky God's Grace. Alright, so bago natin umpisahan, no, babatayin ko muna ang nagpa-shoutout si John Mark Vlog. Alright, hello po. Hello, John Mark. So maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng mga nag-comment, maraming salamat po. Alright, so umpisa na natin ang ating lesson. Let's go! So, ang ating i-discuss ngayon ay division of integers. Okay? Sige. Eto na po. Alright. So, we have here three parts of division. No? We have the division house, yung nasa loob, dividend, yung nasa labas, divisor, and of course, the answer is what we call the quotient. Nakuha? Alright. What if nakasulat siya ng fraction? We have 1/12. So, 1 is the numerator. And we have the fraction bar or vinculum. And the 12 is what we call the denominator. No? If we are going to consider this, no? 1 divided by 12. Therefore, the 1 is what we call the dividend. And 12 is what we call the divisor. Okay? Alright. There are rules in dividing integers. Number 1, the quotient of two integers with the same signs is a positive real number. Example, we have here -2 divided by -2. Parehong negative. Of course, how many 2 do we have in 2 itself? Di ba isa? Alright. And that is positive 1. So, sabi kasi dito, the quotient or the answer of two integers with the same signs is a positive real number. So, that's why -2 divided by -2 is positive 1 or 1. Another example, parehong positive. 10 divided by 2. How many 2's do we have in 10? And that is 5. Now, since parehong positive, parehong signs na positive, of course, the quotient or the sign of the quotient is positive. And that is 5 or positive 5. Alright? So, parang multiplication lang, ano? Negative times negative is equal to positive. Positive times positive is equal to positive. Alright? So, pareho lang pagdating sa sign. Sign of the product and sign of the quotient, pareho. Number 2, the quotient of two integers with different signs is negative real number. Right, so yun naman yung magkaiba. In multiplication, multiplying unlike signs, the product or the sign of the product is negative. Ganon din po dito sa quotient. The quotient of two integers with different signs is negative real number. For example, we have -10 divided by 2. Right, and that is -5. Right? Another, number 3. We have 0 divided by any number is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. 0 divided by -19 is 0. What if 0 divided by 1 million? It is 0. What if 0 divided by 100? It is 0 pa rin po. Okay? So, number 4. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. For example, 9 divided by 0 is undefined. So, meaning to say, we can't solve. No? Naintindihan? Hindi natin masosolve. Hindi natin mabibigyan ng sagot. And there's no meaning. Undefined. Okay po? Naintindihan? Question. Wala nang question kasi nga madali lang. Yehey! Right, so ito na ang ating sasagutan. Find the quotient of the following. How many 9 do we have in 45? Answer, parehong positive 45, positive 45 divided by positive 9. Of course, the result or the sign of the quotient, no, must be positive, and that is positive 5. Okay po? Remember, no, to check if it is correct or to check if our answer is correct, you simply multiply the quotient, no, by the divisor. Okay po? So, 5 times 9, kapag lumabas yung dividend natin, your answer is correct. So, 5 times 9 is 45. Ayan, tama po yung dividend natin. Number 2. Ayan. So, 18 divided by negative 6. Unlike signs po yan, we have positive 18 divided by negative 6. Of course, the sign of the quotient, no? Negative. Okay, so how many 6 do we have in 18? And that is 3. So, negative 3 ang ating sagot. Naintindihan po? Alright, number 3, we have negative 24 divided by negative 8. Parehong negative. Of course, the sign of the quotient is positive. And that is, how many 3 do we have? How many 8 do we have in 24? So, 8, 16, 24. Tatlo lang po. So, our answer is 3. Next, number 4. Negative 2. Negative 32 divided by 16. How many 16 do we have in 32? Okay, how many 16 from the 32? Or how many 16, no? We can see from this 32 if we're going to divide it. Ayan. Eh, di ba 2? Since unlike signs, of course, negative. So, negative 2 po ang sagot. Number 5. 30 divided by 5. Ilang 5 meron sa 30? Now, since unlike signs, of course, the sign of the quotient is negative. So, negative 6. Number 6. Negative 64 divided by 8. Unlike signs ulit. So, the sign of the quotient is negative. How many 8s do we have from this 64? Okay, di ba? 8. So, sa makatuwid, ang ating sagot ay negative 8. Very easy. 36 divided by 4, parehong positive. Therefore, the quotient is positive. How many 4 do we have from this 36? Is it 9? Let's see. Okay, 9. Very good. Next, number 8. 48 divided by negative 12. Unlike signs po, no? Ilang 12 meron sa 48? Is it 3 or 4? So, 4. And that is negative 4. Now, number 9. Negative 56 divided by negative 8. Yan. Like signs po. Siyempre, the sign of the quotient is positive. Right? So, anong sagot? 7. Positive 7 po. And of course, the last one, 60 divided by negative 12. Ilang 12 meron sa 60? Right? So, since unlike signs, of course, the sign of the quotient must be negative. Answer? You have negative 5. Yay! Very good. Any questions? Siyempre, walang tanong dahil napaka-dali. Palakpakan niyo ang inyong mga sarili. Ayan. Okay? So, with that, of course, ayan. Huwag kalilimutan po mag-subscribe, please. At, pakihit na rin po ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng aking videos na aking i-upload. Maraming salamat po. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.